ElectraCast.
When you need to build up your team to handle the growing chaos at work, use Indeed Sponsored Jobs. It gives your job post the boost it needs to be seen and helps reach people with the right skills, certifications, and more. Spend less time searching and more time actually interviewing candidates who check all your boxes. Listeners of this show will get a $75 sponsored job credit at Indeed.com/podcast. That's Indeed.com/podcast. Terms and conditions apply. Need a hiring hero? This is a job for Indeed Sponsored Jobs.
Welcome to NASA Daily, where we bring you all of NASA's previous day's proceedings in 4 minutes or less. In today's episode, we bring you NASA's activities for May 19th, 2026.
At NASA Johnson Space Center in Houston, Cindy Evans is helping prepare Artemis mission teams to do lunar science. She serves as an Artemis exploration scientist and a geology training lead. Her work focuses on training astronauts and the teams supporting them to make accurate science observations during missions, including how to recognize and describe lunar geology, document what they see, and collect the right information efficiently. The aim is to ensure science is fully integrated into mission operations, so crews can carry out planned investigations while working within real constraints like limited time and challenging conditions. NASA also announced a new citizen science project called Shock Detectives that invites volunteers to help scientists study the solar wind. The solar wind is a fast stream of charged particles from the sun. When it reaches Earth, it collides with Earth's magnetic field and creates a boundary region that includes Earth's bow shock. This region can be calm or highly turbulent and plays a role in how energy from the sun moves into near-Earth space. The project uses measurements from NASA Magnetospheric Multiscale, which has collected more than a decade of observations and crossed the bow shock thousands of times, producing more data than researchers can analyze alone. Volunteers help by examining real mission data and classifying patterns, such as whether the environment appears more peaceful or more chaotic. The classifications help researchers understand how the bow shock changes over time and under different solar wind conditions, supporting broader efforts to improve knowledge of space weather that can affect satellites and technology systems. From orbit around Earth, NASA Earth Observatory highlighted farmland along the southern shore of Lake Winnipeg in Manitoba, Canada, photographed by an astronaut aboard the International Space Station in April 2026. The area's agricultural productivity is tied to the legacy of Glacial Lake Agassiz, a massive Ice Age lake that once covered large parts of central North America. When the lake drained, it left behind layers of fine silt and clay that helped form fertile soils and a flat landscape that is well suited to farming. On Mars, the Curiosity rover's mission team reported activity from Sols 4893 through 4899 that focused on drilling at a target called Campo Marte. The work continued Curiosity's routine of documenting the site and carrying out a drilling campaign to obtain material for scientific study. The update also noted a visit in context from the Psyche spacecraft, which is traveling to the asteroid 16 Psyche, one of the largest asteroids in an unusual spectral category. Those were the key activities for NASA on May 19th, 2026.
Subscribe to receive daily or rate and review so others can find us as well. Thanks for tuning in to NASA Daily. This has been an ElectraCast media production. Executive producers are Mark Netter and Peter Rafelson. Produced and edited by Nick Mrla. Music by Amir Isaleh and Peter Rafelson.
ElectraCast.